Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through this week's market action. A market sell-off capped a rough week for stocks on Wall Street. The Nasdaq closed down nearly 6% on the week. The Russell 2000 lost 5.7%. The S&P 500 slid more than 4%. The Dow lost close to 3%. 9 of the S&P 500 sectors ended in the red this week. Communications and energy each lost more than 5%. Technology slid some 7%. Much of that weakness in tech was caused by a sell-off in chip stocks. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF slid 12% on the week. Now, during the week, a Bloomberg report claimed NVIDIA was facing a subpoena from the Department of Justice. The chip maker denied it was subpoenaed. Meantime, Broadcom fell 10% Friday after giving disappointing guidance, and Supermicro was hit with additional downgrades. Boeing spiraled to a 52-week low as it contends with a potential strike at the company. Some 32,000 workers could walk off the job if a new agreement isn't made between the company and the International Association of Machinists. Workers expressed concerns over wages not keeping up with inflation, health care, retirement, and time off. Boeing's labor contract expires next Thursday, September 12th. Meantime, Wells Fargo downgraded Boeing from equal weight to underweight and lowered its price target from $185 to $119 a share. It's full speed ahead for Tesla's self-driving plans. The company expects to launch its full self-driving technology in China and Europe during the first quarter of 2025. One speed bump, those plans still need regulatory approval in those regions. The news drove Tesla to be a leader in the S&P 500 this week until Friday's sell-off muted most of the gains. In the week ahead on the economic calendar, inflation is in focus with CPI and PPI on deck. We'll also get new weekly jobless claims data. Among the earnings expected, we'll get reports from tech names like Oracle and Adobe. On the retail beat, that'll be Big Lots and Kroger. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.